Okay, we got our panels repositioned here. We spaced them out 2 inches so that now the panel is ½ an inch out from the wall, so that when we put the sheetrock up on the wall, the box will be flush to the wall surface. So that worked out pretty good. So we still have some more wiring action to do here. We got the house foundation grounded now. We put double burial clamped it. Those are bronze burial clamps with stainless screws on them that go onto a piece of rebar, 20-foot long rebar that sticks up from the foundation wall and has a ground wire going to it. The ground wire also goes outside to a ground rod. So the house is grounded very well. So what else have we got going in here? It's just a lot of busy stuff. It's at the point where you're doing a lot of stuff, but it's not obvious what's been happening. So we have a 3-way switch over on this entry to the large garage and a second switch over on this side, because there's going to be a door on this wall here. So they want to have the convenience. And what else? I think I've already shown the garage door openers and the garage doors. Everything is coming along very nicely. But yeah, the space is it's a good size space. Double car garage on this side, single car over on the other side. That is our sheetrock lift or panel lifter. We'll be using that here pretty quick after we get our plumbing and wiring inspection, and then the insulation goes in, and then we'll be going to town on putting in wallboard, mud tape, paint. So things are coming along very quickly. A lot of stuff will be happening fast. So okay, that is kind of the update. Here's the transition from PEX, those are the compression collars, to these copper stub outs. And then this here is just a sink that they wanted at the last minute change in the downstairs here, and that is a vent that goes all the way up. It's a dry vent. There's no sink going to it above. It's just a dry air vent coming down for this sink. Okay, it's been a good week, and I'm going to get hopping on out of here. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And please do subscribe if you want to follow along and see what happens next on this house project.